Good. This video is on adding credits to your mobile app, the Healthy Food Clinic mobile app. Now, what you do is you log in as normal. So I put my username and password in, log in. And normally when you log in, you see what membership status you are. Trial is here. Now, I have 850 credits, app credits, but normally you'd see zero there, or some of you might be lucky to get 25 credits at the start. Now, whatever you see there, if you want to add to these credits, whether it's 0 or 850, what you do is you go to Let's Get Started. And then once you click on Let's Get Started, then you go to Settings at the bottom right hand corner, Settings. And in Settings, what you'll see is Add Credits. So this is the first stage, Add Credits in Settings. So click on Add Credits. Now, when you see Add Credits, it actually shows you how many credits you have right now. Now, what you're to do is you're to click on Copy this ID number. Now, once you copy this ID number, then you can go to our store to buy credits for this ID number. So I'm going to close this now, just show you how to get to the store. Now, you can go to the international store or you can go to the Lagos one. Now, on the international store is for all people outside of Nigeria. So I'm going to click on international for now. And then if you click on international, what happens is it will come up with this screen here. And as you can see, it's got all these credits. And you can see it starts from 50 credits, 30 credits, and so on. And obviously, if you wanted to be a gold member, the minimum credits you need is 600 credits. Now, gold membership means you get full access to the system, but you want to add more than 600 so that you can ask AI some questions on nutrition, meal plans, and all these different things. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do the add-in because it's quite straightforward. I've done it already, so I'm going to close this. And then when you do add it, put your reference number as the ID. Now you should receive an email back from the company with another number, with another ID number, which then what you could do is you go back to settings, add credits, and then this time what you do is you paste it in here. You paste those credits in here. And there you go. I've pasted some credits here. And what you'll see is those credits here. Some of you may not be able to see it clearly. Um, okay, let me just make sure you can see it. Okay, so I've pasted credits there. So you can see there now, there's a number in there. As you can see, it's got all this number, all these in there, all these digits there, much longer than the one you sent. Now, once you do that, now this was 150 credits that I purchased. So really, if you look at carefully, we have 850 at the moment. So to change this should be 1,000 if it works right. So I'm going to click on Update Credit. Update Credit. Now, when you click on Update Credit, can you see what it says? Congratulations, you have successfully added 150 credits to your account. Click OK, and now you can see the credits have changed. I'm now going to close the screen and we're done with that. So that's how you add credits to your system. Yeah, that's how you now if we go back to the home page, you can see that the credits have now changed. So that's the credits, so adding credits. Now the great thing about this is now you can use those credits to upgrade yourself to gold membership. Gold membership, you get full access to all the meal plans from Ghana, Nigeria, international, and there's going to be more added on. You also get all the access to the exercises. You get access to all the courses that we have. So many things. But once you get upgrade to gold membership to upgrade is 600. Now we'll talk more about the upgrade later on. Thank you very much for watching.